Myntri Rangbah ke jylla ukurat sangmah ni kesngi ulai kendu kerpang ya Myntri Rangbah du kari Narendra Modi bat ya ke menteri kampla pisah jong sarkar pedeng ka Nirmala Sitaraman banyak keren halor kejingdon kam jong ke jylla ha kejingya kendu bat Myntri Rangbah du kari Modi na kaliang Myntri Rangbah ke jylla ukurat sangma ulai kublai kerpang ya kejingjob jong ke BJP ha keni ke election ke baladem bat kumjuru ulai ya ke report ha bai dei bat ki kampen roy bat kejing sedang nang ta ki program ki baper jong ke jylla.
So today I visited and met the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, and apart from congratulating him on these elections that were concluded recently, I also apprised him about the detailed development work and the different programs and the status of the different programs and how the state is doing. A brief report was submitted and I gave a small presentation to him, and he was very happy to see the different kind of works that are happening in the state, and he was especially very pleased to see that the overall developmental budget for the state in the last few years has gone up by more than double in the last 5 years, almost touching triple of what it used to be 5-6 years back. Apart from that, I also shared with him the vision that we had for the state in the coming 5 years and the different targets that we have set for the state, and sought his intervention and support in helping us and guiding us and supporting us to be able to achieve those targets and goals that we have in the next 5 years. I also shared with him the vision of having the new Shillong Township and administrative city, where we are planning to put up a new administrative city and a new secretariat, and shared with him the plan, the design, rough designs, and also ask for his support to make sure that that project does move forward. And he was very happy to see these developments, and he is assured of all possible support from his side. My second meeting was today with the Honorable Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitaraman ji. Again, I briefed her about the different projects going on through the Capital Investment Fund that the Government of India is supporting different states with, through the externally aided projects that we're doing, and also different kind of other development works that are going on. And I requested the Honorable Finance Minister to support us further in the externally aided projects, as the Government of India has put a cap on different states, on the limit to which states can take externally aided projects, and hence we have requested her to increase the ceiling and give additional projects to states who are performing, states like Meghalaya, which have already taken a large number of projects, but since our performance has been good, we requested that we be supported. Finance Minister has given a positive response, and she has assured us of help and support, and that she will definitely give it a positive consideration. So we look forward to their support from the Finance Ministry and from the Honorable Prime Minister, so that we can able to achieve the different targets and the goals that we have set for the state of Meghalaya. Thank you.